जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। माई सेल्फ रेनू बाला, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, श्री गुरु अंगद देव कॉलेज ऑफ एजुकेशन, खडूर साहब। Today I am going to discuss very interesting topic, that is meaning of micro teaching and steps of micro teaching. As we know that the quality of any nation depends upon quality of education system, and the quality of education system depends upon the quality of teachers. Quality of teachers is directly linked with the education program of a particular nation. It is assumed that every and each teacher training institute go through the rigorous practicing session of different teaching skills during her teaching courses. It is also very important that going to the classroom without knowing teaching skills is just like jumping into the ocean without knowing how to swim. The knowledge and practice of these skills makes the teaching more effective. But the fact is that most of the time we don't give due consideration to micro teaching and micro teaching skills. Thus, in the modern days, most of the teacher training institute do not produce qualitative teachers. Thus, micro teaching is a wonderful training technique. Produce different teaching skills among prospective teachers. Now, coming to the concept of micro teaching. Micro teaching is a scaled down teaching encountered in a class size and class time. The number of students is from 5 to 10 and the duration of period ranges from 5 to 20 minutes. Now the steps of micro teaching. Look at the steps of micro teaching. First is plan, then teach, then feedback, replan, reteach and re-feedback. Come to the first, that is plan. The plan involves selection of a topic and related content. The topic is analyzed into different activities of the teacher and students. Now the first step is the micro teaching, that is plan. First of all, teacher trainee decide on the subject, then on the topic. Teacher trainee has to plan. Now the teacher trainee decide all the activities. The moment she enters the class, right from the good morning up to the end of the session, what she is going to do in the classroom, everything is systematically planned. Now the next step is teach. This step has to be done for 6 minutes. This is just recommendations to develop the skill of teaching. This involves the attempts of the teacher trainee to use the components of the skill in suitable situation in the process of teaching learning as per the role of the planning activities. Now the next step is feedback. This is also very important step. Feedback and discuss. This has to be done for 6 minutes. Here teacher trainee obtains feedback from peer group and observer. A lot of reflection come out. Now the next step is replan. This has to be done for 12 minutes. During replan, teacher trainee try to keep in mind feedback given by the peer group and the supervisor so that the negative feedback should not be repeated again. Now the next step is reteach. This is also the duration of this step is of 6 minutes. This involves the teaching the same group of students if the topic is changed or the different group of students if the topic is same. Now the next step is re-feedback. This is also very important aspect because in this step, this is also very important because in this step, the most important component of micro teaching for behavior modification of the teacher trainee in the desired direction in each and every skill practice. Feedback and re-feedback. Feedback, again I am going to repeat, feedback and re-feedback are very important because these are the guidelines to the teacher trainee to understand where is she stands in this process. If the same feedback is obtained in re-feedback, it means the process is not successful. But if not the same, it means there is growth. Now the last on the whole we can say that the cycle goes on unless the mastery is achieved in these skills. Thank you. I hope you catch the idea.